Hey everyone, great news! macOS Tahoe Beta 3 is out, and I got a direct link to the installer straight from Apple servers. No developer account needed. You can find the link in the description below. Open up your browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever you're feeling, and copy the direct link from the description box below. Paste it into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will start downloading the install assistant.package file, which is the full installer for macOS Tahoe Beta 3. It's a big one, around 16 gigabytes, so make sure you've got enough free space on your drive. Pro tip for a stable download. To keep your connection smooth, open the Terminal app, just type Terminal into Spotlight search. In the Terminal window, type ping swcdn.apple.com and press enter. This little trick can help stabilize your connection and might even speed up the download. You'll see some numbers scrolling. Don't worry about them. Just let it run in the background while the file downloads. Depending on your internet speed, the download might take a bit, so grab a coffee and hang tight. Once the download's done, head to your Downloads folder and find the Install Assistant package file. Click it to start the installation process for the macOS Tahoe installer. Don't worry, this isn't installing the OS yet, just the tool to do it. Follow the on-screen prompts. It's super straightforward, like installing any app. When it asks for your admin password, type it in and keep going. After the package installs, you'll get a prompt asking if you want to keep the Install Assistant file or move it to the trash. For now, I'd move it to the trash to save space, but it's your call if you want to keep it for later. Now, go to your Applications folder in Finder. You'll see a new app called Install macOS Tahoe. That's it, folks. You're now ready to rock macOS Tahoe Beta 3 and explore all its new features. If you hit any bumps along the way, drop a comment or let me know, and I'll help you sort it out. Thanks for following along, and I'll catch you in the next one.